Hey everyone! Today I'm transforming these three men's shirts into two summer tops and a blouse by making some super easy alterations. I am upcycling the first men's shirt into a sleeveless top, and to start I'm using this jersey crop top as pattern, and I'm marking the measurements on the fabric, adding 5 cm on each side and bottom. Then I trim off the extra part of the shirt.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Now I sew the two sides of the shirts right sides together with a straight stitch. Then I serge the raw edges with zigzag stitch to prevent the fabric from fray. I sew the hem along the bottom edge by folding twice the fabric as I go.
Start your computations.
To take off the excess fabric on the front of the shirt, I'm making a dart on both sides by pinching the fabric starting from the edge of the armhole till halfway on the front of the shirt. Then I'm just top stitching the fabric down, sewing along the pins. To end, I hem the raw edges with straight stitch.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
And here you can see the before and after. I'm transforming the second shirt into a ruffled short sleeve shirt with a knotted hemline that can sit loose or snug as a bow. To start, I mark the fabric at 45 cm from the top of the collar of the shirt. Then, measuring from the bottom, I put a mark on both sides of the shirt at 10 cm higher than the mark I did in the center of the shirt. After that, I connect the mark that I did on the side of the shirt to the one on the center of the shirt, making a curved line. Then I trim off the extra fabric, leaving 2 cm as seam allowance, and later, using the fabric cut as pattern, I just trim off the extra fabric also on the other side of the shirt. Now I'm just marking a straight line on the back of the shirt and I'm trimming off the extra fabric. To make a ruffle effect on the sleeve, I'm simply marking a curved line starting at 20 cm far from the top of the armhole and going down at 2 cm far from the bottom part of the armhole. Then I trim off the extra fabric and I just repeat the same process for the other sleeve. Now, starting from the bottom of the shirt, I'm hemming all the raw edges with straight stitch. After trying on the shirt, I've decided to make it smaller, because as it was originally an extra large for men, it was still too big on me. To resize the shoulders, I'm taking off 4 cm on both sides, then I'm trimming off the remaining fabric attached to the sleeves. I sew back the sleeves to the shirt with straight stitch, and I serge the raw edges with zigzag stitch to prevent the fabric from fray. I'm trimming off the extra fabric on both sides of the shirt, and to end I'm sewing the two sides of the shirt right sides together with straight stitch, and after with zigzag stitch. And here you can see the final result. This last shirt is in silk, and I would like to keep it as a shirt / blouse, so I'm going to make it shorter and I'm going to resize the length of the sleeves. With the shirt folded in half, I'm marking a curved line on the fabric, starting from the center of the shirt and going up on the side. After trimming off the extra fabric, I'm sewing the hem along the bottom edge of the shirt. Now I'm trimming off the extra fabric from the sleeve, and I'm unstitching the shirt cuff. placing the edge of the sleeve inside to the shirt cuff, and I'm pinning the two parts together. Then I sew the two parts together with straight stitch, taking off the pins as I sew. And now let's see the final result. Let me know in the comments which one of the 3 transformations is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching and see you at the next project!